E-STARKIT work from home.
Malaysia today reported 4,498 new COVID-19 cases, a level not seen since early February. Meanwhile, Kedah Negeri Sembilan and Perak reported cases that were far above the average recorded over the past 14 days.
Malaysia on Saturday recorded the highest ever daily tally of COVID-19 infections at 2,335 cases and 11 new clusters. According to a statement by the Health Ministry, this brings the cumulative total of infections nationwide to 103,900 cases.
Through this project, we have determined a few problems in regard of the current work-from-home situation. For instance, there is no specific guideline that can be used as reference for both employer and employees. Also, there is uncertain situation due to rapid change in number of reported cases daily. This is also leading to problem where the existing policy is not clear. Now, E-STARKIT work from home is here to change. Based on this method, any misunderstanding among employers and workers will be prevented. This E-STARKIT work from home is web accessible, updated accordingly, has easy references, and also comprehensive guideline.